Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Today is how to see the fundamental little important topic, that is inside the windings types, singly re-entered winding and doubly re-entered winding. I think these concepts you might be heard also, but let us how to see. Those who don't know, please let us we have to learn, because these are very interesting topics. They will also introduce. That's what you have to see: singly re-entered and doubly re-entered winding. So these types of winding generally we have to see in that duplex windings. I think though if you want to know before watch this video, please watch that simplex, duplex and triplex windings. So generally after this you will come to video, you can understand very clearly. What is this single re-entered winding? Or the single re-entered winding or double re-entered winding? Basically these types of winding you can see in the case of a duplex winding. Generally these concepts you can see the duplex winding. So let us I should draw a duplex progressive lap winding I should draw, then you can understand very clearly. So let us go, first thing is a lap winding. Keep on going until come to the sixth conductor. After this I told you it's a duplex winding. Duplex winding means I told you after that the winding pitch should be 2. If you to enter it's a 2 minus 1, it should be winding which is 1, that's simplex lap winding is 0. You have to connect over here, third conductor. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, it's a duplex winding. Let us go here. Keep on your connector, then after that second wind, then you connecting over here. After this where you have to connect here, leave from 2 slots, connecting over here. And after keep on going on there. Then leave 1 slot and you have to go and connecting over here. And like this will go. So like this the winding should be keep on going on there. Completely it will be keep on going on there. So once you observe here, that is a duplex winding is going on there. Duplex progressive lap winding. If you want I should write duplex progressive lap winding. Progressive duplex lap winding. Keep on going on there. So in the progressive manner, it is going on the lap winding. The winding should go keep on going on there. Once you observe here, there we have a empty slots here. Second slot is empty, there is no conductor. Fourth slot is empty, there is no conductor. Seventh is empty, then followed by ninth is empty. Keep on one slot by one slot, it comes to the empty manner. So what is going to happen is the winding should be keep on going on there. After this ending will come one more winding ending the conductor. So let us to understand I should draw very clearly. So here it is winding is there. Is winding. It's keep on connecting over here. The ending we have one more winding. This one winding end. This winding end should be connecting over here. Should bring that ending winding. Should come like this. If you connecting over here, this keep on the ending, it should come. Example I should drawing here. It should connect it together. If you do like this, after this, if you do like this, these types of setups, let's can understand. I should repeat for you. After this is over, ending winding should come. But ending winding should be there. Empty slots we are having. Example to understand very clearly, I should draw. To go like this, ending winding will come. That ending winding should bring over here. Then after this will come, should connect the whatever the empty slots you are having. Whatever the empty slots you are having, this you now you can fill it out. Empty slots whatever you are having, you can fill it out. Seventh one will come, then connecting over fourth one, like this will come, ending from the back. It should go like this, it's go empty slots will come. It should be like this will come. It's keep on going to connecting over here. Whatever the empty slots is there, 2 second one, the whatever they having ending, that ending should winding should come and connecting over here. And all slots should be covered. There is no ending slot. And after that ending should come over connecting over here. Now you can connecting this. Example I am telling you. These types of winding is called as singly re-entered winding. Single re-entered winding. single re-entered winding. Am I clear? It's first loop is over. After ending should come like this. The same winding should fill the remaining empty slots. End of the time you can connecting over here. It means only single bunch, only one bunch of conductors, one bunch of single winding. It's keep on going. It's a singly re-entered winding. But what is the doubly re-entered winding? The doubly re-entered winding, it's little simple. After this, the ending things is over. First thing I think the red color thing you can feel it. It's first phase. First phase you are connecting over here. Double layer winding means ending over here. The first case, what winding you are having? Red color winding you are having. So first you are starting over here. So I should use red mark to understand very clearly. Red color R is over. Ending that winding should come and you have to fix it over here. Example letters, red color winding should be going here. It's coming over something else. Example I am drawing here. It is fixing over here. But it should be tightened over here, fitting over here. It should be, you can winding it is basic, you can close. But empty slots is there. These empty slots you have to fill. Take another type of winding, another color winding. It's nothing but another set of conductors. One bunch is over, you have to keep here. It's keep on one set is over. After this, you have to bring a separate individual type, independent winding. You have to come that you can fixing over here, connecting over here. There are two set of individual windings should be there. This type of winding is called as a doubly re-entered winding. Doubly re-entered winding. The term it indicates here, re-entered winding, it means keep on ending is over here. Please come and re-entered. If you re-entered means only single winding, a single bunch of winding, it's connecting a second thing here. Let's come single here. This is comes under a doubly re-entered winding example. Here single re-entered means first case the winding over here. This should be second case also same winding over here connecting over here. This type of color a singly re-entered, this type doubly re-entered. Here there are two independent windings should be there. Here only single winding layer will be there. It's keep on connecting over here. So this I drawn the green color, blue color it's the second type, red color it's the first type. So this is called a doubly re-entered, singly re-entered windings. So here also we can use here progressive single re-entered and retrogressive lap and wave windings you can see here in this strip. I think this is very clear. Re-entered windings, single re-entered, double re-entered. I think very clear. I hope you got my points. So basically how to remember this, you can use a duplex windings because you will get empty slots. How should be re-entering will go into X space. Simplex means you are not supposed to see. I think it's very clear. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for next videos for a different kind of topics in electrical machines. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you want to share the videos, please share to your friends also. Your friends also can enjoy by learning the fundamental. Thank you.